Onto the weather front in the United States. A powerful blizzard brought more than 2.5 feet of snow to many parts of the Northeast on Monday. Extreme weather brought travel for millions to a near standstill as roads were closed, train services down, and 8,000 flights cancelled. U.S. airlines now scramble to add flights on Tuesday in an attempt to recover from widespread disruptions.
The northeastern United States has been under siege from a severe blizzard since Sunday, with relentless snowfall and exceptionally strong winds causing widespread disruption across the region. The storm dumped heavy snow across parts of the US Northeast, forcing road closures and school cancellations. US airlines are scrambling to accommodate stranded passengers and reposition aircraft and crews as the weather improves. Thousands of homes and businesses were left without power, and officials, including New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani, urged residents to stay off the roads so emergency crews could clear snow and debris from the streets.
If you can, remain indoors. If you must leave your home, please rely on public transit. I am grateful for our tireless agency teams who have been working nonstop to prepare our city for this blizzard and to keep New York running. This has been a full-force winter weather response operation, with 2,600 sanitation workers deployed on every 12-hour shift and over 2,300 plows, including 700 salt spreaders mobilized citywide. I know that this is a city full of people who do not like to sit still. And yet, as the snow continues to fall and conditions remain dangerous, I am asking you to do just that.
Central Park in New York recorded over 15 inches by Monday morning, with higher amounts reported across Long Island and parts of New Jersey, where some communities saw close to 2 feet of snow. Snowplows were deployed across the Northeast as officials sought to reduce prolonged disruption. Major cities including New York and Philadelphia advertised dedicated warming centers for people caught outside in the cold. Further, a travel ban in Rhode Island was prolonged until Tuesday, while Massachusetts' governor announced new restrictions for non-essential driving in parts of the state. A closure of Boston public schools was also extended to Tuesday due to continued bad weather. Bureau Report, DD India.